Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Very quickly, a couple clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. And then second, I'm trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which one am I using? You can find all that at the link up at the top of the screen. I'll also put it down in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your capital at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value to you, then definitely make sure to check that out. So right now, the other thing with prop firms is I'm sorry, not with prop firms, but with, just a minute. Sorry about that. I just realized that I didn't have my screen annotation software up. But other nice thing about futures is they are open around the clock, 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. So these trades are all from, kind of quote unquote last night, as like I said, the market is open essentially around the clock. So nice thing if you are busy and you're not maybe around at normal hours, the futures market does open up the opportunity to be able to find a trade at various parts of the day. So I'm starting slightly up in the green, and I was hoping this thing would stay below this low right here, but it's made the break. So maybe I'll be left behind on that one. But either way, I'll go ahead and pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, I am looking to play a breakout of this trend line. The futures market is not the same as the stock market, but it does care about 9:30 a.m. when the U.S. stock market opens up. It gets a jolt of action, and that is what is about to happen. So I'm looking for this jolt of action to create I don't need a huge explosion, but enough of a break up through that area there of this trend line. Looking for a little bit of confirmation. Like I said, futures are different than stocks, but the futures market does care. But there we go. Can you see how wow. Terrible fill. See if we can, whoa, holy smokes. And a blinking blue line, which is very, very annoying. See if it wants to make a move back up or not. And it did not. And I am in the prop firm lingo, what is known as cooked. Wow. Well, I got somewhat of a breakout, but I wanted more, and it just never showed up. And yes, I understand that looks very, very bad. But like I said, without turning this into a and it goes all the way back up. Without turning this into a big lesson on prop firms, all I'll say is maybe, let me put it this way. I'm disappointed that I cooked the account, but I will not be shedding any tears, because if this was you, just for example, and you took that trade and you were looking at these same exact results, you would not be down anywhere close to that amount. You'd not be down anywhere close to that. So, and then it goes back up. Wow. But anyways, yeah. Well, account cooked. The breakout did not work. Well, it worked kind of, sort of, but I wanted more from it. So it ultimately didn't work. But it is what it is. But that is part of prop firm trading. And it looks bad. Never fun to cook an account. Don't get me wrong. But like I said, a little homework assignment maybe. If I've intrigued you to say that if this were you and those were your results, you would not be anywhere close to that. If that's an intriguing statement, then I'll just say do some research into prop firms. And like I said, if you wanted to start off with the one that I use and recommend, you can use that link up above. But yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and call it good. Account cooked.